Changing your payout method on State Street is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the State Street website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Payout Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Payout Settings section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your profile options. Step 3. Select Payout Method. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose new payout method. Select your preferred payout method from the available options. This could include bank transfer, check, or other electronic payment methods. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new payout method, review the information for accuracy. Confirm the changes and save your settings to ensure the new method is applied. Once you have completed these steps, your payout method will be successfully updated. Always check back to ensure your settings are correct before the next payout cycle.